All right, so here we got some probability questions involving drawing a single card from a standard 52 card deck. Okay, so the first question here is, so let's say you're drawing this one card from a standard 52 card deck. What is the probability that the card is an ace? Okay, now we know that there's 52 cards in the deck, right? And there are 4 aces in the deck. So the answer to this question would be 4 out of 52. Okay, what about the next one? We're going to draw a single card from a 52 card deck. What is the probability that the card is a king or a queen? Okay, we know that there are 4 kings and there are also four queens, right? So either or. So that means out of the 52 cards total, there are 8 cards that are king or queen. Okay, so in this case, the answer is going to be 8 out of 52. All right, here we get a little bit tricky, right? So we're going to draw one card from a standard 52 card deck, okay? So what is the probability that the card is red or a jack? All right, so this one, let's actually sort of write it out a little bit more. We know that there are 26 red cards in the deck, okay? We also know that there are 4 jacks in the deck. Okay, now you got to be careful here. We don't just add these together because there are actually overlap here. Okay, there are actually 2 jacks that are red. Okay, so for number 6, we have to consider the 26 red cards. Now remember, that does include the 2 red jacks. So for the answer here, we need the 26 plus 2. Right, that's going to be 28 over 52. And what about the last one here? We're going to draw a single card from a standard 52 card deck. What is the probability that the card is a spade and a king? Right, so okay, we know that there are 13 spades in the deck. We also know that there are 4 kings in the deck. However, right, out of the 4 kings, 1 is a spade, right? And then there's 3 others. Okay? So we do not want to count this one twice. Okay? So what is the answer here going to be? Well, let's think about that. The card has to be a spade and a king. Okay? So there's actually only 1 king of spades here. Okay? Remember, it has to be a spade and a king. There's only 1 such card in the deck. Okay, so you don't want to confuse the word and or. Okay, so for number 7, the answer is going to be 1 out of 52.